Spring has sprung, so we're making a few changes. Sometimes you find yourself in need of different, not better, just different. What you can get done in 15 minutes, or in this case, 30 minutes, with a few helpers is simply amazing. I wanted to have a new flow in my bedroom, so I woke up early. This is about 7:30 in the morning. I set my mind to a task and we accomplished a goal. What I've lost in floor space, I've gained in mind peace. Now my bedroom feels extremely cozy and I am set up for the next season of my life. Your house can become a home by doing very simple things. I didn't spend any money. I just repurposed items I had in other spaces in my home, moved some things around to accomplish this peaceful getaway for myself. With a little bit of concentrated effort and possibly a few little helpers, you can gain the same peace in your space. Y'all be blessed now.